how to exit a gas station after fueling the car, after finish putting gas in your car, right? We have students that have asking us to do that. We have a video on the channel that doing how to put gas in your car. Now we're doing a follow-up with this, how to exit the gas station after finishing putting gas in your car. After I finish putting gas in your car, you make sure that you got your receipt and you got your credit card, or however the way that you're paying. You look where the exiting is easier for you. In my instance, it's easier for me to go to my right than going to my left. Why is that? You see, I'm verifying my right. Okay, why is that? It is more room on my right side as you would on my left side, and always scanning your surroundings. You see how the human crossing the car? Always surround. Okay, always. Okay, never fully accelerate. You do not have to fully. You see, human keep crossing. All right. Never fully accelerating while you're exiting. Make sure all your perimeter are clear. Now, if you have a main road on your gas station, of which is the case, you're not a human again. Always paying attention to the humans. Okay, you see? Car's going. You see this guy here? There we go, going around it. Welcome to Uber. Anyway, mirror right, shoulder right. You see the guy's giving them the trouble. You see? The guys feeling that. Yep, the guy's cussing him. Yep, giving them the trouble. That's true. You know, wait for the human to clear. You know, wait for the person to clear. Now I'm going to the wood. I'm going to on the gas station here. Pay full attention to my right side. Now the light over here is green. I'm coming out here. I'm signaling to my left. Make sure the traffic that isn't coming on my left is clear. In the meantime, my eyes is all over the place. Never fully accelerate on your gas until you had full clearance. People popping up all over the place. Back there, as you guys can see, the guy was cussing the other guy because I'm stopped to let him clear. He went around me to go to get on the wood and created trouble. Okay, like I don't have nothing to do. They are on the watch. That was the Uber driver anyway. You know what that is. Okay, you see how much I'm stopping here? Left for the traffic to clear. When I finish getting full clearance, okay, now I'm gonna go. Now I can only go here straight out to my right because going to the left gonna be a little bit too tough. Why is that? It's too many activities going on the left side. Continue to my right side would have been my best choice. However, when you're exiting the gas station, the direction that are least traffic, that's where you want them to go. Initially, I wanna go to my left. But since there was that much traffic, I'd rather go to my right and go around, make a U-turn or take a different route just to make life easy on myself, all right? Because above all, we are looking for the best possibility ever, you see? Now, I'm here. I'm going to make a right turn at the corner, at the light, actually. Mirror right, shoulder right, and I'm going to go around to go back on my way, okay? Was that cost me a lot of time? No, it doesn't cost me a lot of time. Does that save me a lot of trouble? I think it does, because you would have never know what would have happened if I would have tried to make it on that main road. Nevertheless, I'm not telling you not to make it on that main road. I never said that. Make sure that it's safe. It's all about what? Safety, number one priority. Once you prioritize that, then you're good to go. At the corner here, I'm making a right turn. Remember, the gas station was down here to the right. I'm making a right turn, go around and go on my route. Is this person you're gonna park? We don't know. No signal, no nothing. We don't know what they're doing. You know, are they going or what? Okay, now they're going. You know, confused. Making two full stops. First one is for humans. There is no humans here. The second one is for traffic. At the center of this crosswalk, looking for traffic. Do I have a clear thing on the left? I do. Okay. Now me one left, shoulder left, look left again. Okay, and continue to go. All right, going straight across here. Right turn at the corner. This guy here is still confused. What he or she will not know who that is. I'm gonna do the cap and pull out and make my turn. Mirror right, shoulder right. Continue to go, making a left turn. You're gonna be seeing the gas station on my left side. That's the direction I wanted to go home. I'd rather it takes a minute or two in my life than wasting a whole lot of minutes. And I know how it could have been by getting into a trouble. All this could have been prevented, all right? I'm seeing the light is blinking here. There's no rush. No rush, okay? Yellow light is not for student. Making a left turn here. The gas station gonna be on my left side. That's where I wanted to eventually go. But when I was exiting the gas station, I did not have the possibility to go to my left side. I'm taking the next possibility route that I could have taken by doing three things. Number one, being safe. Number two, go in the direction the traffic easily to go. Number three, avoid trouble. right? Be safe. Go in the direction the traffic is easily accessible. And number 3, avoid trouble. Once you deliver at those kind of level, you're not only protecting yourself, you're protecting all of the people around you, because you never know how the trouble could have happened. You see, my light is green now. I'm going to make a left turn, going all the way to the middle, okay? And clear my left turn and fall right into my left lane, okay? And guess what? If you guys can see it on my left side, I don't know if you guys could have seen it on my left side. Let me just turn my wheel like this just for you to see it. You guys can see it on my left side. Here's the gas station. That's where I wanted to. That's where I came from. Let me go back to get it back now. That's where I came from, right from that gas station. All right. Still live over here. Still going on my way. It takes me a couple minutes. It's okay. But what I know that's the safest route, and it's all about safety. All right. If you guys have any question, put it in the comment below. If you guys exiting your gas station in a different way, share with me which watching the scenario, which route would have been better for me, or which route would you have been taking? All right, in the comment below. And if you're new here, my name is Ben. I'm one of the instructors here at Pierre Driving School, and this channel we are all about driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification squad. Each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to get notified. And this channel here, we drop 3 videos a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And every morning, we do answer 7 days a week. Every morning, we answer questions regarding anything that is in your mind. Remember, driving requires some responsibility. You and I, our tip collectively can educate other people. Let me say it slow. You and I, our tips and input and comment can give other people inspiration as it relates to driving. All right, we continue with our regular driving left and right. We've always answered questions and continue to our regular driving. We are located here in Brooklyn, New York. We are servicing the New York area. Anywhere in the King County, we are servicing you guys. Okay, we continue driving here. Pay attention to traffic. We're going straight. The left lane is the left side is turning. We're going straight. We keep on the right side. Now, can you guys see what's going on here? This guy in front of me with a turning signal surely been where all the way on the lane signal, but they're not. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. There's a turning in. Now, don't be surprised when the light turn green, zoom right out, ready to make that left turn. It's not surprising. Those are the things that we be on the lookout for. Now, the car on my left side, which has the right of way on the normal turn light, that's going to be a challenge for that guy, for that car. You see? Started rolling up already. See what I'm saying? There we go. And the car in front taking action. You see the car in front taking action. No, you're not passing by me. Let me let you see it. You see what's going on here? The car in the turning lane already taking action. I'm turning here. Where are you going? You see what I'm saying? That right there gonna be a problem. You see? Look at the second one. I was going in front of him, and the car running in the red. The car said, "Where are you going?" You see that, guys? That's why the trouble started. You see? The car is all the way up on the red light when he should have been back there waiting. Okay? Now it's all the way up on the red light. You see? Now they're honking at them. Trouble. Opening for trouble. He's just not gonna let this car in front go. This is what I be talking about, guys, you see? And the car just going on after him. There's going to be trouble going that route. It's going to be straight trouble going that route, all right? Welcome to Brooklyn Driving, folks. These are the things we've always been on the lookout for, okay? Because we're not looking for trouble does not mean that trouble will not be coming our way. We need to prepare ourselves as much as we can to stay away when they come, if we can, because some problems are inevitable. They're just going to happen anyway. There's things that we do not have control over. Double park on my right side. I'm going to signal to the left. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go over, coming back the same way. Signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, coming back. Whatever we do to the left, you do it to the right for the purpose of road test and real life in general. But since most of us are students, we do whatever we do to the left, we do to the right. At the traffic light, right turn. Traffic is heavy, Brooklyn, New York. In the right turn here front to the closest right lane. But we got to be challenged here because we're going to make a left turn. You know what? Since it's too challenging, I'm keeping my right side. We want to make a left turn, you should have moved over to the left lane. Now, I move over to the left lane. The bus gave me the okay. Take the guy on my left side out of business by making a wide turn. Take the guy in front of me out of business. If you guys already done your road test here, let me know if you have done your road test already and how many times did you do it. I did mine 3 times before I passed it by that understanding that there's how they want you to drive is not how you want it to drive. You know, certain thing they're looking for. If you're not delivering to that level, then you're not passing the road test. As simple as that. That's why here at Pierre Driving School, not only that we're training you to be as safe as driver as possible, and we show you things there for you to do at your road test, for you to be able to pass your road test with flying colors as long as you deliver to things that they're looking for. Traffic is heavy here, folks. See, I'm not gonna go. The car is clear, and I'm gonna wait here until wait for my clearance. I'm not gonna go because yellow light is not for student. It's one car at a time. Okay, there's no rush. No rush. Heavy traffic here. See what's going on here with that big tractor trailer? Creating trouble. Guys, I'm out of here. Your left shoulder left, out of here. Sometimes we got people that directing the traffic don't even know how to drive themselves. Can you imagine? Directing traffic don't even know how to drive themselves. You can imagine how the result gonna be. You're putting somebody with a tractor trailer with the instructor don't even know which direction the trailer is going when the tires is being turned. When the steering wheel inside turn. Tell the person to come. Anyway. See here? Anticipate potential hazard with this big tractor trailer bringing in that lift, falling back. Gonna signal to my left here, mirror left, shoulder left, and going around. You're hooking at me, folks. folks, anything in particular, put in the comment below. Yes, coming up to the end of my shift. Okay, so we're all about driving here, and I'm excited always to bring out any videos that you guys want me to cover. All right, so each time when I talk about driving, I get excited. Why? Because telling somebody in the US how to get the license, that's a big improvement in the life one way or another. Whether you never have to drive for your life, but driving whenever never have to do driving in your life for a living, but just having the license alone will give you will open a lot of opportunities for you, where you can go places at your time, on your own term, without begging the families and friends, and depending on the Uber to go places, you'll be able to go by yourself. If that makes sense and you are new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Paul Driving School, guys. Take care now. Bye-bye.